Here, we introduce FIREWATCHER, the intelligent wildfire smoke detection solution that prevents wildfires from spreading by detecting smoke in the early stages. FIREWATCHER helps put out wildfires in the early stages and prevent large-scale wildfires by detecting smoke in real time and identifying the ignition point. Then, let's learn about how FIREWATCHER detects and analyzes wildfires. First, real-time smoke and wildfire monitoring. Its smoke detection-centered deep learning model enables early fire detection. FIREWATCHER minimizes false detection through its high-accuracy wildfire detection model, which is built from 3 different smoke color categorizations from white, gray, and black, with more than 1.1 million dataset images and over 3,000 hours of videos. Second, smoke location identification function. When a wildfire breaks out, FIREWATCHER identifies the exact location of ignition point, which enhances the accuracy and efficiency of fire extinction. It identifies the initial ignition point based on GIS by mapping the actual distance information and the pixel information of wildfire surveillance videos. Third, distinguishing smoke-similar factors from actual smoke. FIREWATCHER conducts a high-accuracy wildfire analysis by distinguishing and detecting smoke in a variety of environments. It can accurately detect and precisely distinguish phenomena that could be recognized as smoke, such as cloud, fog, and glare, from actual smoke into different classes. It also distinguishes smoke and identifies wildfires at high accuracy rates even in different environments, including sunny weather, rain, and fog. Fourth, real-time monitoring and notification function. Its real-time monitoring system enables systematic observation of the target area. FIREWATCHER shows multi-channel monitoring screens in real time, enlarges or pops up the smoke or wildfire footage upon detecting one, and notifies the situation immediately by text message, thus enabling swift responses. Fifth, efficient management. You can manage wildfires efficiently through the integrated FIREWATCHER dashboard. The dashboard displays CCTV channels, event information, and system server operation information in real time and shows public environmental data, which enables the manager to predict the likelihood and spread route of wildfires. Not only that, since FIREWATCHER has learned a wide range of seasonal and temporal data sets of South Korea, which has 4 distinct seasons and a lot of steep mountains, it could establish a high-accuracy wildfire detection model. FIREWATCHER, an intelligent wildfire smoke detection solution based on deep learning video analysis technology. It can manage and analyze wildfire environments comprehensively by learning a variety of on-site data. Protect our nature and your safety with FIREWATCHER.